Euromat Congress on Advanced Materials and Processing is organized first time in Poland, in Warsaw. And we are happy we have more than 1,200 participants from 56 countries around the world. It is for us an honor to organize this Congress as a main Congress for material science and engineering, and this is a very good platform for people from this field to share experience, share their research, and also this is a great opportunity also for Polish people to see around to other people about our research we are conducting in Poland.
Euromat is a very important event in the calendar. It brings together both quite diverse communities of industry and academia, something that you don't see with other conferences. It's a real opportunity for academia to showcase the research that's ongoing, but also the latest developments that are taking place in industry. What we also like is that it's an opportunity to bring together young people and senior industrialists and academics together in one meeting room. So we have the opportunity for a fusion of views, research and also opportunities between the two communities.
The range of materials is very broad, the range of industrial sectors is very broad, and the biggest one probably connects with the relatively traditional metallurgical industries, steels, light alloys, aluminium, but examples of very rapidly developing areas would be biomedical applications and lots of small biomedical companies using the sorts of materials developments that they would hear about at Euromat. We're also getting a lot of presentations at Euromat in areas of materials processing, new processing methods like severe plastic deformation, new joining methods. This is attracting a lot of industrial interest.
Most material researchers look at a whole range of materials during their career. I decided to focus just on silicon because it is so influential. Silicon devices help us wake up in the morning, go to work, communicate. They help us in shops. They even help us cooking sometimes, if you have a smart enough oven. And there was already a global effort to try and get silicon to emit light for faster computing to solve problems that we currently have with electrical interconnections between our devices. And that led me on to look at other properties of silicon that might be changed by nanostructuring.
Nanoporous materials are very peculiar because they have a very large surface area to volume ratio. So it means a lot of material at the surface, and then you can take advantage of that for many chemical applications, for example electrocatalysis to produce hydrogen from water, or gas sensors, or even some more sophisticated like filters, membranes for different gas molecules, batteries, etc. And also in magnetism, this is what we are doing actually, to try to incorporate these materials in magnetic applications, because then you can induce some enhanced surface effects, for example spin glass, or you can even coat the pores, fill with a second phase and try to induce some coupling for computers, try to enhance the areal density of computers, for example.
Well, I think material science is such a wonderful field in which anyone can find materials of interest. And I am quite convinced that the most important is to have personal motivation to select this or the other one. And in each field there is a clear path to success.
It was for the first time that in 2 subsequent weeks, the two largest conferences in the field of material science and engineering were held here in Warsaw, from the European MRS and the Euromat conference. And for the first time, 2,500 engineers met at one place. In Warsaw, from my point of view, the most dynamic town in Central Europe. And we had a materials weekend between the EMS fall meeting and the Euromat conference. And during this meeting, we strongly focused on the Alliance for Materials to build up a common house for materials in Europe, which includes all material scientists and engineers to speak with one voice. And most important for me was a very exciting meeting with 55 young scientists, mainly PhD students from Europe, who met in several sessions to exchange their research results. But in the evening we met in the French embassy, in the German embassy, and on Sunday evening in a very cozy pub here in Warsaw. And so it was a full success, and we should do such a materials weekend again.
I'm happy that we have the opportunity to give a short interview from FEMS. And I like to mention that this Euromat 2015 in this wonderful hall of the university gives a very good impression. So at the last day of this meeting, we are very happy about this successful meeting. And we like to thank the scientific committee and the management committee for having done such a good work for this Euromat conference.